Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you as to what is the keyboard shortcut for a check mark symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. That's a very interesting topic. So we need to open first our Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Or if you already have your document, just simply open your document. And then uh at the ribbon at the top, you will find these tabs. You have the File Home Insert. Click on Insert tab. Obviously, you can easily insert a check mark into your document by clicking on this symbol. And here you will find this check mark symbol. But what if you're just going to click a shortcut in your keyboard and it will automatically turn into a check mark? Okay, it's very easy. So all you have to do, let me just quickly insert the font size to clearly show you. You just need to simply type 2713. It's 2713. And then you have to press the Alt key and the X key on your keyboard together. And that's it. You have just easily created a check mark on your Microsoft Word. Now let's try it again. It's 2713, Alt and X key together, and a check mark will appear on your document. And then you can simply add your statement or your text next to your check mark. So that's it. So I hope this straightforward video tutorial helped you. So kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.